Welcome to the Virtual European Convention 2020 Happy Beautiful Me Skincare Workshop. We know you care about your skin and that you don't want to compromise on ingredients that may be harmful to you, your family, or the environment. Young Living is committed to offering you feel-good, effective skincare that is safe for you and the planet. The products in our Happy Beautiful Me segment were carefully sourced, curated, and crafted to help you be the best you can be. I'm your host, Cheryl Baker, and I'm joined today by Young Living product experts Wendy Upton and David Thiem. Wendy and David have decades of experience in the beauty and skincare industry and have developed many exciting products throughout their careers. They led the development of the new Bloom by Young Living Brightening Skincare collection that we're excited to introduce to you today. David, can you tell us a bit about your experience creating the Bloom by Young Living collection?
Oh boy, what a labor of love. We've been excited to bring new and great skincare to our members that we've been working on for years at Young Living. I came to Young Living with 30 years of experience in the skincare industry, and I felt passionately about creating products people want to use. In our industry, it's also important to create products that are easy for people to sell. We knew we could create something that meets both needs, and I'm very pleased to say that we did just that. As you may know, Cheryl, naturally derived products are difficult to make because you're limited on ingredients you can use. And at Young Living, we have the inspiring and worthwhile challenge of creating products while upholding our Young Living seed-to-sale standards. Many of the commonly used ingredients used in the marketplace, especially in brightening skincare, can be harmful, and we would never use them. But we made it happen. We created a modern, effective, clean skincare collection that is both beautiful to look at, formulated without phthalates, parabens, synthetic fragrance, and most importantly, fun to use.
It is such a beautiful collection, both in terms of packaging and formulas. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and I really look forward to my skincare regimen now. Wendy, can you tell us about the development of Bloom by Young Living?
Well, first, I just have to echo David. It was a labor of love, as always, to bring our members and customers high-quality formulas without using harsh chemicals. I think what I'm most excited about, though, is what you just touched on. I really look forward to using these products. I've always been a major skincare consumer myself, and the fact that Young Living is selling these advanced formulas in this beautiful packaging is so thrilling to me. And I also really love that this collection gives your skin a beautiful radiance and a brightening payoff.
I totally notice a glow.
You do. You get that instant radiance from the crystalline mica, and then all those other hardworking ingredients that work over time to provide brightening with consistent use.
So, what skin types work best with the Bloom Brightening collection?
Well, the collection is really great for all skin types, especially those looking for a brightening boost in their skincare routine.
So let's talk first about the brightening cleanser. The texture is a really smooth gel that feels great on my skin, and it has this little shine to it from the ethically sourced micas that are just beautiful. Not to mention it smells amazing. It's like a spa experience at home. When I use it, I take a deep breath and relax.
And your skin feels so clean, but not tight and dry after using it.
Exactly. It's a hydrating cleanser. So it gives your face a good clean, but it doesn't totally strip your skin like a lot of other cleansers do. So your face is going to feel fresh and clean, but it's also going to feel healthy and look soft and healthy.
And what I love about this cleanser, and all the products actually, is that it uses ingredients people know about. Take the plumeria flower in this cleanser, for example. It's a beautiful, lush, tropical flower, but what they might not know is that it's been used to soften and smooth skin and hair for centuries, which are the exact reasons we included it here.
I didn't know that.
Most people don't.
But you're right, I definitely know what flower that is. It always reminds me of somewhere beautiful and tropical like Hawaii or even my hometown in Panama.
Exactly. It's been used for its beautifying properties in the South Pacific.
So David's exactly right. We've used ingredients that members will recognize because we really want them to be able to communicate that our products are naturally derived, which is something our Smart Young Living members want anyways. Like take the apple extract in the brightening essence. I love this product. I mean, I love all these products, but this brightening essence is pretty close to magical, and I don't usually say magical when I'm talking about skincare, but this is. That apple extract we use in the product can increase your hydration in your skin up to 88%, which is major. It is such a hydrating product and makes my skin look hydrated and glowy, and I love using it.
I love this product too. In fact, everyone who tries it raves about it. Right? I think people love it because it looks and feels like luxury. It's that extra step that most people don't take, but it has a fantastic payoff that shows on your skin.
Yeah, definitely.
Agree.
So for me, the brightening essence is kind of indulgent, and I think the formula itself feels indulgent too. And it actually smooths the skin's texture and is a nice prep step for your moisturizer.
I like how it's a little thicker than a toner. It has some substance to it, but it's not as heavy as a serum. I think the way it glides across my hands and sinks into the skin on my face feels so luxurious, just like you were saying. And we can't forget that glow that Wendy was talking about. It's just amazing.
I love that glow. It's like a really natural looking dew and it feels so fresh and naturally beautiful. That's partially due to the hydrating nature of the formula, but also because of the ethically sourced quartz crystalline mica. For those who don't know, mica is a naturally occurring mineral in several places on the earth, but for this product, it's coming from the US and France using only sustainable practices. The mica particles are very, very fine, and they add a really pretty shimmer to the essence and to your skin and creates this optical illusion that bounces light off your skin and makes it look smoother, younger, and more radiant, and it's totally naturally derived. See? Look at this.
Okay, so that's what makes this product sparkle so beautifully.
Yep, that's the mica catching the light and twinkling a little bit.
It's gorgeous.
Another great experiential detail about these products is the packaging. On the inside of each carton is a flower design for the customer to color and cut out and make a piece of art of their own. As you probably know, there are some real stress-relieving benefits to coloring, and this helps reduce our carbon footprint by upcycling the package as well, so it's a win-win. Now, we've been really impressed by our members' creative ideas for this project, and I personally look forward to seeing all the ways they display their art. And I want to encourage our members to show their creativity on social media using #BloomBeauty.
What a fun, easy way to repurpose packaging. In that video, it looked like she made a flower bouquet for her essential oil reed diffuser.
Yeah, but that's just one idea. We've seen jewelry, garland, you name it.
How fun. I'm excited to see the creative things our members do with that. So please be sure to share and use #BloomBeauty. Remind me which product is that uses the oil from the Happy Pili tree farm in the Philippines.
That's the brightening lotion.
Tell us more about that.
Well, the brightening lotion is a light layer of hydration. For most people, 2 pumps is all you need. Like you said, Cheryl, the brightening lotion has pili pulp oil that is very moisturizing and gives a really nice skin glow. And we're using the oil from nuts from Young Living's Happy Pili Tree Farm in the Philippines, which is exciting for us. But this lotion is also packed with other recognizable ingredients, like ginger root extract for brightening skin and balancing skin tone, and a seaweed-derived ingredient to brighten skin and increase the radiance.
So you'll notice that all of these products are brightening because that's really what the line was created for. Many people across the globe are concerned with an uneven skin tone, dull skin, and like we said earlier, most products on the market are loaded with all sorts of synthetics and ingredients that can be harsh to your skin, which is why we knew we could do better. This Bloom by Young Living collection brightens skin, even skin tone, and it's naturally derived and uses these recognizable ingredients that are easy to talk about, they're found in nature, and you can actually pronounce them.
Exactly. And going back to the development of this product, like Wendy was saying, we developed these products for people who are interested in evening skin tone and brightening skin, which honestly is a growing concern because people are becoming more aware of the damage our environment is doing.
The great thing about Bloom by Young Living is that, like I said earlier, it's not loaded with synthetics that you have to worry about. It's formulated without phthalates, without chemical synthetics, without dyes, and it's safe. The collection uses ingredients that are familiar, like ginger root, plumeria, apple extract, ingredients that are found in nature, easy to understand, and like I said, you can pronounce them.
And I know we have people wondering, when will I be available to purchase? When can I purchase this product?
It's available now only at our virtual European convention. You can buy the Bloom Skincare Collection.
And the other thing that's great about these products is that you'll be able to purchase them individually, and you can buy them today. But really, for best results, you're going to want to use all 3 items together as part of a regular skincare routine, and they're dosed to last about 30 to 45 days.
Oh, that is the perfect amount for monthly essential rewards.
What I'm really encouraged by with the launch is the response we've gotten from people who have tried the collection. In fact, when the collection launched in Hong Kong a few months ago, they sold out a 6-month forecast in just 3 hours. That's obviously a phenomenal response and really speaks to the excitement around these products and the love our members have for them. You know, we had more than 50 Young Living members from around the globe sampling the new Bloom collection so they could really see the results for themselves, and they were blown away with the products. Let's hear from one of them now.
I was able to try the new skincare range and I absolutely loved it. I especially loved the cleanser because it had a really citrus burst to it and it just smelt amazing and felt so good on my skin. It was definitely my favourite cleanser that I've ever used. And then I loved that there was the essence, and the essence really did feel beautiful over my skin. And then I was able to use the lotion over the top of that and it just left my skin feeling really beautiful. Super excited about these new products.
Love that feedback. Thanks so much for sharing. One thing I noticed is that this collection has Charlemagne Brightening Complex. Tell me about that because I've used Charlemagne and I thought it was a totally different product.
That's a great question, Cheryl. Yes, Charlemagne is still an independent product at Young Living. But because so many members love that cream and because it has such great brightening properties, we decided to use it as the foundation for the whole Bloom by Young Living skincare collection. All of the products in this collection have the Charlemagne Brightening Complex along with other brightening ingredients. And because you're going to be layering 3 products on top of each other, we really reduce the fragrance from that Charlemagne cream. So there are definitely improvements and updates made to these formulas, but we use that Charlemagne cream as our foundation and inspiration because it's a well-loved and has been such a great product for Young Living. But I would say that the Bloom by Young Living products are totally new, with a respectful nod to their Charlemagne heritage.
Okay, so what exactly is the Charlemagne Brightening Complex then?
Well, it's a combination of powerful essential oils that have some extraordinary benefits. Since we're the world leader in essential oils, we want to include essential oils in our products, and we selected some great ones with fantastic benefits for Bloom by Young Living. Along with the other plant ingredients we've been talking about, we have the plant-powered Charlemagne Brightening Complex that harnesses the power of these essential oils like Davana, Vetiver, Sandalwood, and many others.
And it sounds like the brightening benefits of this collection is really paying off. I think we have before and after pictures to show, right?
So as you can see in these before and after pictures, the Bloom collection really supports the appearance of an even skin tone. And I just want to remind everybody that these members used all 3 products, the cleanser, the essence, and the lotion over a 60-day period, and that's how they got these awesome results.
So walk me through this. What's the best way to use the collection?
Well, depending on if you're wearing eye makeup, you will want to use an eye makeup remover first and then continue with the Bloom Brightening Cleanser. You'll want to be careful not to get the cleanser in your eyes.
Oh, that is so good to know. We should remove all eye makeup before cleansing with Bloom.
This collection is meant to be used both morning and night. Let's begin with step number 1, the Bloom Brightening Cleanser. So you'll wet the skin on your face with lukewarm water and squeeze about a coin-sized amount onto the palm of your hand. And then you're going to gently massage onto your skin. Like Wendy was saying, skincare could be a great time to relax, and these products help create a spa experience at home. Let me demonstrate on the back of your hand. I'm just going to spray your hand with some water. Apply just a little spot of cleanser. Look how beautiful that is.
That's gorgeous. That feels good.
Take a deep breath.
I love how it smells, honestly.
You just brought the spa home.
It smells so yummy. Now I'm just going to spray this tissue that I've placed on top just to remove the cleanser. Take a look.
My skin looks and feels so fresh. All right, so what's next?
Well, step number 2 is the Bloom Brightening Essence. You'll want to gently shake the bottle before application.
Look how pretty that is. It shines, yeah.
It's gorgeous. The mica in the essence offers immediate gratification. The mica reflects light, which provides your skin with a veil of natural illumination. So you're going to pour a coin-sized amount onto the palm of your hand, then gently pat your hands together to distribute the essence evenly, and then just gently press into your cleansed skin of your face. Don't forget your neck and the décolleté. I want you to experience this too. Let me apply just a little bit to the back of your hand.
Of course, I'm excited. That is so beautiful. I love how natural that glow looks. It's amazing. So what's the next step? I assume moisturizer?
Let's continue to step 3, the Bloom Brightening Lotion. You'll want to let the essence sit for just a few seconds while you place 2 pumps of the lotion onto the palm of your hand. Like the essence, gently pat your hands to distribute the lotion, then you'll just gently pat your face and rub it into your skin, right on top of the essence. So I'm going to put just a little bit on the back of your hand.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
That smells really, really good. It smells kind of sweet.
Yes, but the scent is so subtle. But can you feel how light that is?
Super light. I cannot even feel it on my skin, honestly.
That is what I love about it. Your skin is hydrated from all 3 products, but it doesn't feel heavy. And now you get to compare your hands and take a look at that.
Oh, wow.
Okay, that is an instant difference. Look how much this hand is glowing and radiant, and you can totally tell a difference.
So you will notice that I intentionally layered all 3 products in the order of usage on the same hand. That way, when I showed you the side-by-side, you see an instant wow. This is a great technique to use when you're selling to a member too, so they can physically see the difference the product made compared to the hand that didn't receive the treatment. After all, seeing is believing.
Absolutely. That's another thing that I love about this collection is the appearance of a more even skin tone. And those before and after pictures that we saw earlier were after 60 days of consistent usage. But you can also get that instant hit of radiance and glow, which makes you want to keep coming back until you start to see those long-term hydration benefits too.
I love that. We're just about out of time, so let's see the amazing Bloom skincare products one more time.
Okay, so remember that Bloom products are exclusive only to those attending the virtual European convention.
Wendy, David, thank you so much for joining me today and talking all things Bloom by Young Living. And we can't wait to see everyone's before and after photos from this fantastic brightening skincare collection. Please remember to share your before and afters and upcycling activities using the hashtag BloomBeauty. Thanks everyone for tuning in.